Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be guiding you how you can enable the chat theme on the Instagram. For that, you just need to open the Instagram and on the top right corner, you can see the message icon. Tap on it and tap on any user's ID and then open up the profile of this user. Here you can see the theme option available on the Instagram, but sometimes what happen is your chat theme on Instagram will be shown missing. So for that you just need to follow this quick and simple steps. So screenshot this page, and once you screenshot it, go back. Once you are in the home screen of the Instagram, then you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner over here. Tap on it, and then on the top right corner you can see the three line icon. Tap on it and then tap on setting and privacy so that you can get access to this page. Scroll down, you need to tap on the help option. Tap on report a problem, then you need to tap on report problem. After that, you need to tap on include and continue. You need to briefly explain what happened and what's not working here. Once you have described the problem over here, then you can just tap on the upload option so that you can upload the screenshot photo you have screenshotted before. For that, you just need to tap on the upload. On the bottom left of the screen, you can see tap on it and you can upload the photo you have screenshotted previously. On the top right corner, you can see the same option. Just tap on it and your problem of the chat theme on Instagram will be submitted. So within few hours, Instagram will obviously help in solving the chat theme problem on Instagram. Or else the next way is you just need to open the Play Store and search in the Instagram. There is the update option. You just need to tap on update and update the Instagram. After you update the Instagram, you just need to go to the setting of your device, and then you need to tap on the apps and then tap on app management, search your Instagram, and then you'll be access to this page where you need to tap on storage uses and clear all the cache. Similarly, you need to tap on the permission and allow all the apps permission. Tap on the apps that the permission hasn't been permitted, so tap on allow, and you can allow all the apps permission in the similar way. After doing this step, your chat theme problem on the Instagram will be definitely solved. So this was it guys. If you found this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any queries related to any problem, then don't hesitate to comment on the comment section of my channel. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.